One great way that you can find data to work with online and Colab is by searching CSV files on GitHub. So let's take a look at how to do that. Well, you can always put in something like CSV file GitHub along with the topic that you're interested in. So for instance, if you're interested in heart disease, you could type in heart disease with that, and you can see you end up with some different links here. Okay, so if you click on one of them, and then what you see here is actually really nice. This is the type of thing you hope to see. And what is that? Well, it's showing you different columns of data, more than just a few, the more the merrier in some sense, and a lot of numerical columns too, which is great for getting started. So this looks good. Now the way you can actually set this up in Colab is you need to click raw. Okay, it will not work otherwise. You can't just grab anything that's a CSV online and get it to work. It's very specific. But raw CSV files in GitHub do work. So you click on the raw CSV file, then you click on the URL, okay? So let's do that. Then go into your Colab notebook and call it your new URL, okay? And then you got to put it in quotes, okay? So the read CSV methods and pandas are looking for strings. So you put it in there. You can go ahead and run it. And then you do the next steps, which you'll soon know like the back of your hand. Import pandas as PD. Call it as a data frame. df equals pd.read_CSV, because this is a CSV file. We stored it as a URL. And then we want to look at it to make sure that it's translated properly using df.head. Okay, so we'll go ahead and run that code, and we get what we want, which is, a nice data frame that replicates the data frame from the original CSV file on GitHub, which is right here. And just to show you one other GitHub option, so if you search my handle, Corey J. Wade on GitHub, you can click here and you will see I have some data sets stored here, BCA data sets. This needs to be updated, but there's some decent ones here that you can check out and see if you're interested in.